Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to program NC file. First step, we can draw 2D photos by AutoCAD or SolidWorks. I will show you what we draw by AutoCAD. This is a testing file we draw by AutoCAD, this file. There are 9 pieces kitchen door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and our RBWOOD logo. Okay, then we will save it as this DXF file. We use step 2. We use JD Paint to make transfer from a DXF from DXF to ENG file. First, open this JD Paint and find this imports and find this 2D drawing. I choose the file DXF and I found it. Open. You see, we open this DXF file in JD Paint, the CNC programming software in this, and we need to use this tools path to choose the knives. How many knives you want to work with this this work, and you choose the photo first and open this tools path. Tool path. You can set the blades, drilling knife, blade, and the cutting depths. Okay. When you set them all, the tool path, it will become like this. It will become like this. You see, there is blue line outline outside the photo, like this. This blue line are two paths. That means the drilling knife will working following this blue line. Then after you set the photo picture different pattern with different tool paths, you choose them all, and what we need to do is export tool paths. We will export these two paths. We will choose the name, write a name. You see, it's .eng file. It will convert to. So we will set RBWOOD testing ENG file. Okay, so we will store. Then you can find this file, RBWOOD testing ENG file. Okay, now your CNC machine can read this kind of ENG file directly, but NC file will be necessary because sometimes the ENG file was not accuracy. accurate. So what we need to do the step 3. We use NC converter. Convert this ENG file to NC file. Open this software and find the ENG file. Open. Then we press this convert. Okay, very soon. Then finally, we got this RBWOOD testing ENG file. Actually, it is NC file. Okay. Okay, we can check the type of this kind of file is .nc. Okay, when we open it, you will see the CNC working piece by some numbers. That is we call the NC file. You see, they are full of numbers. That is CNC machine working piece. Then we will transfer this file, NC file, into USB disk and insert this USB disk, transfer this NC file to our machine. That is the final step. Okay.